I'm Bhagyawathi from Bangalore. I'm really happy to share my experience of completing my fellowship in Clinical Embryology from Milann Academy. So this fellowship has been an incredible journey. I had an opportunity to gain hands-on experience in both andrology and embryology. The structured theory classes helped me build a strong foundation, and the practical exposure enhanced my technical skills. I learned laboratory techniques and also the clinical applications. One of the best parts of the fellowship at Milann is the embryology training lab, which is equipped with advanced micromanipulators like RI, Narishige and Eppendorf. So we were able to learn and practice parallelly. And I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Ashraf sir for being an excellent guide and mentor. He not only taught me embryology but also inspired me to become a good embryologist. I am really thankful to Vindhya ma'am for her encouragement and also support. And I would like to thank Clara for her constant support throughout my journey. And this fellowship has been a milestone in my career too. I would like to thank the entire staff of Milann for always being so supportive. And I recommend this fellowship to all those who are looking for opportunities in embryology. Thank you very much.